teach you how to make this shampoo slime. This is our third slime video, and this is how the slime will look like. It's very slimy, as you can see here. Okay, so the things you will need are Care hand wash, simple face wash, this is how it looks like, and then a bowl, a mixing tool, and a plastic cover. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is put some Care hand wash in. Okay, we're making just a little bit because there's a lot of water. And then you want to open your simple face wash and squeeze a little bit out. Just a little bit out. About that much. Sorry. Okay, and then you want to mix it until they're all combined. So you can see it's starting to goop up. And then, see that? Okay, so you want to mix it until it's like this type of pink. It's like a light pink color. So, you're going to put on your plastic cover, put it in the fridge for 1 or 2 hours or even a day if you want. But if you want to be quick, put it in the freezer just for probably 10 or 20 minutes, and your slime should become like this. So it's almost same, and this is how the slime should look like.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.